Hey, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel drained after driving on the highway? That constant tire noise, the wind seeping into your car, it's like a never-ending distraction. It messes with your focus, makes driving tiring, and by the time you're done, you're completely wiped out. But what if we told you there's a way to drive in peace, stay focused, and finish your journey feeling refreshed and energized? Well, we're here to make it a reality. Let's get started. Soundproof materials are available everywhere, but did you know the best soundproofing is made in Russia? Our store offers exclusive, 100% Russian-made products that guarantee top-tier performance. When you choose our soundproof installation service, we don't just install, we provide expert free consultation on the best materials and installation options for your car, all while keeping your budget in mind. Trust us to deliver a quieter, more comfortable ride with the finest materials on the market. For an added level of assurance, before we install, we'll perform a noise test so you can hear the difference yourself, before and after the installation. This is the game changer that shows you exactly how valuable your investment in your car's soundproofing will be. Today, our customer is taking the first step towards a quieter, more comfortable ride by tackling the noise on the doors and front floor. And let's just say, you have to see the transformation. We've started by installing the powerful AutoFun M3 vibration damper and the high-performance AutoFun Sim, a 4+ noise insulator. Not only will you experience a massive difference in sound quality, but the best part? All AutoFun products come with a 5-year warranty for both material and workmanship. Noise can be categorized into vibration noise, traffic noise, and wind noise. The function of a vibration damper is to block vibration noise generated on the door. With the use of high-quality vibration dampers, you can significantly reduce vibration noise. The door is one of the largest contributors to noise while driving. For the second layer, we applied a noise insulator on top of the vibration damper to reduce traffic noise or outside noise from entering the vehicle cabin. Next, we continued with the installation on the front floor of the car. For this area, we used two materials, the AutoFun EX4 vibration damper and the Dr. Artex Vibro Barrier 7+ noise insulator. The vibration damper on the front floor is designed to reduce high-frequency noise and vibration noise caused by tires and uneven road surfaces. For the second layer, we used the noise insulator to minimize external noise from entering the car cabin. This also enhances the audio quality, giving you a better music experience while driving. Here is the noise test report we provided to our customer, showing significant reductions in vibration and traffic noise after the soundproofing installation. If you're interested in premium services like this, visit our social media platforms at Car Comfort Shop.
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.